This is the company, Maelstrom. You have a space for your shoes here. Hi friends, today I will show you an unboxing travel backpack from Maelstrom. Let's open. They have for men and women. This is easy to clean, waterproof. And you can put your 17-inch laptop here. Here has shockproof sponge. Fits perfectly. I like to take this when I travel and weekend trips. I can fit a lot of things in here. You can put your clothes here, even a little extra space. And even you have another space here. You can put your toothbrush, a zipper, another little space. You can close, and this, you can use these clips to secure, and the other one here. This is another packet. You see, you can put your phone in here inside. They have big space for the phone, and they have another one extra here. This have another extra bag. A woman can use it as a crossbody bag. Let me show you. Take it from here. Friends, you can adjust the sides because you want it more short. Just short. Because you want it more longer. When you buy this book back, you have 2 years warranty and 15 days to register. This is a strong shoulder strap, and they have another pocket here. You see, have a zipper, and here you can put your water here, or phone, whatever you want it. Strap it here so why your book bag don't fall. Friends, click the link below for your discount, and you can help me earn a small commission. Thank you for your support. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, Enrique76, and see you another video. Friends, ready to go?